Today, you will learn the biggest trading lesson ever. You will also practice the best momentum trading strategy with the best TradingView indicator. We will cover everything that you can ever imagine with top-down analysis from high time frames to low time frames. Are you ready for it? Then let's do this. Let's talk about this beautiful trade setup with ARK coin and talk about how we can improve our chances with higher quality day trading setups. As usual, we will discuss every single detail starting from the weekly until the minute-based charts with top-down analysis. When you look at this weekly chart, the first thing you notice is the simple swing failure pattern that is followed by a market structure break. This alone gives me clues about the buying power. Later on, price pulls back to this imbalance, powers up for the next weekly rally. As our bias target, we can assume that buyers took control of this asset and trying to balance the market by filling this imbalance. This is all very simple and easy 101 smart money concepts. In the daily, you can see price jumped right here with the daily support and resistance flip area, which is inside the weekly imbalance. As for more precise bias target, we can assume that price is trying to fill this daily imbalance area. Okay, very good, very great bias. But how about the momentum? As usual, we will stick to our best indicator called ICT High Time Frame Indicator, which will help us to identify the best possible momentum entry areas. According to our indicator, the area right here was a great zone to look for entries if there will be a secondary rally. As you can see, price deeply pulls back, then price all powered here and a sudden rejection. Now let's go deeper and try to understand what is happening inside this area. Now, what you are looking at here is a 2-minute time frame with momentum layout together. As you can clearly see what really happens in our momentum supercharge point. Seeing two things together will improve our vision to understand how our masterclass tree layout system truly works. Now, let's zoom in the 2-minute time frame and discuss it further. Right at this point, you can notice the 2-minute market structure break followed by the imbalance. Price nicely pulls back into our discount area, which also collides with the simple breaker block. I love this setup, bringing back all the memories from the free course and all the basic smart money concepts. Now, as a scalper or a day trader, you see the setup, you take it, then you get out. 2R is more than enough here. Get in and get out. A nice, high-quality trade setup. Okay, folks, great example and great knowledge. Time to enjoy the rest of the Sunday. Please take care and see you soon. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.